Hello and welcome everyone to another biology class of Fun Scholar. So today's chapter of discussion will be microorganisms, friend and foe. This chapter is under standard 8 of CBSE board. So first of all, to give you the overview, in this chapter we will know with bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa and their nature. Also, we are going to deal with their features and how some of them are beneficial to us even though majority of them are harmful to us, and in which manner they cause harm to us. So all of these topics will be dealt in this chapter. So without any further delay, let's begin the discussion. Etymology, or in other words, the source of the word. Etymology means the source of a particular word. Here in this case, the source of the word microorganism has come from these two words, micro, which means small in size, and organism means any biological being or living organism. Now, small in size means how small. Micro, the word micro, if you can relate it to the term in mathematics, so 10 to the power minus 6 is termed as micro, represented by mu. So this is the sign and this is the pronunciation, that is micro. We say micrometer and we denote it like this, mu and meter. That means micrometer. So micro means small in size. How small? To the power of 10 to the power minus 6. So microorganisms are those organisms which cannot be visualized by naked eyes. We need the help of microscope, and that from there also some people believe that the term microorganism has been derived, that these organisms are not visible by naked eyes but with the help of microscope only. So living organisms which are very small, that cannot be seen with naked eyes, as I said, and we need the help of microscope. This is the basic structure of any compound microscope that you can easily see in any school laboratory, so or any college laboratory as well. Microorganisms are the smallest living organisms that cannot be seen with naked eyes. They are microscopic in nature. Example, coronavirus. We are all aware of this virus because very recently COVID-19 attacked, and this was a very huge pandemic in which many people lost their lives. So therefore, just like the virus was not visible with our naked eyes, similarly, the other organisms who are not seen by naked eyes are called microorganisms. So the question is, can't we see all of them without the help of microscope? And the second question is, are all of them harmful to us? I already said in the beginning only that no, not all of them are harmful to us, some are beneficial as well. Now, are all microorganisms virus only? Or we can rephrase the question that are virus the only category of microorganisms that are known so far? Of course not. We know about excuse me, bacteria, protozoa, fungi also. Where do they live and survive? This is another question. We'll know about each one of them one by one. So the first video that we are going to watch in this chapter is about microbial habitat. To know where we can find microbes. You will be amazed to know about the microbial habitat. So let's first watch this video and then we will recapitulate and discuss.
Do you know that right now when you are watching this video, there are uncountable number of microorganisms present between you and the screen? Yes, since these are microscopic, you will not be able to see them with your naked eyes. Similarly, wherever you do, wherever you go, you will always find them everywhere around you. So if you're asked where exactly do microorganisms live, the only answer you can give is everywhere. Yes, they are present everywhere, and that is the reason why we say that they are omnipresent. Because omnis means all. So microbes are present at all places. What should we do if we want to get rid of them? Maybe we can plan to go somewhere really far. Maybe to the ice cold regions where it could get freezing cold. Now here, if it is difficult for higher organisms to survive, then I'm pretty sure we won't find the microbes either, right? Guess what? We will find microbes there. Well, let's switch to the opposite extreme. Now let's go to the area where there's extreme heat. And they survive in the extremely hot region. Yes, astonishingly, they can. Here as well, we find certain exceptional microbes. These are the bacteria called the thermophiles. As the name suggests, thermo is related to heat. Phyllis is loving. They love heaters. So now where can we go? Temperature change did not really affect their existence. Shall we try a region with pH change? Yes, let's go to the Dead Sea. Here, no life seems possible due to the extreme salinity of water. And no prizes for guessing. Microbes survive here as well. I must say that we really need to appreciate the capacity of these microbes to survive. Bacteria of the type halophils are found here as well. It is evident from the name itself. Halo is salt and phyllis, as we know, is having affinity to. Yes, the Dead Sea, where no other organism can survive, is home to these halophiles. Is there really no place on this earth where we cannot locate microbes? The air, soil, snow, hot springs, saline water, they're just present in every place. And they have a special association with us too. Do you know how? Let me give you a hint. Conditions is
Sorry for this interruption. I apologize. Oh, there is poor network connection for which the video could not be completed. So basically, from this video, we have got to know that microorganisms, be it virus, bacteria, or any protozoa or any type, they dwell in each and every type of habitat. There is no place left on this earth where you cannot find microorganisms. And due to this only, even if they are not visible, they are omnipresent, they are all pervading, they actually remain everywhere, but only what varies is the type. So the halophils, as you have watched in the video so far, that they will dwell in the salty condition, the acidophils will dwell in the acidic condition, the basophils will love to dwell in the alkaline conditions, and so on. But they, or according to the nature of the habitat in which they are dwelling, the type of microorganism will vary. But microorganisms everywhere on this earth. That is why before beginning this video, I told you that you will really be amazed to know about microbial habitat, because there is no particular habitat for microbes. They are omnipresent. Just like air, we say that air is everywhere, that we can, though we cannot see air, but we can feel it. Similarly, though we cannot see microorganisms, but we can definitely feel their presence, either through their beneficial effect or through their detrimental or adverse effect. But they are definitely present all around us. Now we have the first type of microorganisms to deal with, that is bacteria. Now bacteria is a microorganism which has got a prokaryotic cell. We know from our previous knowledge that prokaryotic cell means a type of cell which does not have a true nucleus. It has got a primitive type of nucleus with no proper membrane, and there is also absence of other membrane bound organelles as well, such as Golgi complex, mitochondria, like this. It is very simple type of cell, and these prokaryotic cells like bacteria, they actually arrived on the face of the earth in the beginning of life only. That is why their cell type is so primitive. There are different types of bacteria depending upon their shape that we'll discuss, but let's see how far we can watch this video. I guess that it is becoming impossible to continue this video for the poor connection of the internet, as you all can see. So very sorry from my end. We will definitely continue this lecture in the next part. Please stay tuned. Hope you will bear with us. So for this unforeseen circumstances that has suddenly cropped up, but we'll definitely meet in the next video, and there we'll continue the discussion, and I will give you very deep insights regarding the different types of microorganism, as well as their nature, and also the harm that they cause, as well as the benefits that they are useful to us. So we'll continue the discussion there. Thank you so much for having patience with us. Take care. Bye bye.